Ebigambiro mu rukiko orutebekanisiibwa ba Foundation of Human Rights Initiatives ekitongore ekitari kya gavumenti konka kiri kurwanirira obugabe bw'abantu kandi rubiira ha kooti omu Buhweju.
We have been working with various stakeholders to promote effective access to justice, and based on that we felt it appropriate to establish a legal aid office in Bushenyi for the greater Bushenyi, covering the districts of Bushenyi, Mitoma, Shema, Rubirizi and Buhweju. Part of our agenda is of course to provide legal aid services to those who cannot afford them, but at the same time to create a platform through which dialogue and exchange can take place between the different justice players.
Abeebembezi ba Buhweju nibajangwa abanyabuhweju na munonga batari kwebasa nibabonabona n'emishango bari kuza Bushenyi ahabwo butagira muramuzi.
Nhabwo kudreinga cases ahabwo kumanjibanje manyisa ngo jurisdiction eje ya grade 1 aha nibatekwa kutwara imishango Bushenyi. So kuza kuyaho umushango kugutwara Bushenyi kuza kugaruka mu gutandika busya ushanga cyadringe imishango.
As you can see, when we are handling court cases, we also now take, as Buhweju, as you can see, it is expanding. We have already had the court, and it is the chief magistrate court, as you can see. So at any time from now, you will end up having a chief magistrate seated here.
Dewa Twire oruchairman w'entebe ya katano yashaba Abeebembezi omagomborra na mnonga bakuru b'entebe zo kubanza okoreka kukoresa kubi stamps ez'abahirwe bakongera amushango
konka ahabo kuba tukagera ikizu cyo kugira ngo mwene ushango yine cyamanero si wanu stamp najiguza umukono gwe naguguza hatoshanga ngo umuntu atine sente na ija kushanga takutunga justice.
Buhweju netunga emishango eri kurenga muri 10 buri izoba kandi eri kukirayo n'emuhondano y'omumaka. Gasha kwa Juliet Charles Sima.